I'm Frank Proto, professional chef and culinary instructor, and I hope you like fried eggs, because that's what we're doing today.
Let's make fried egg.
This is Fried Eggs 101.
This is fried egg 69.
When I make fried eggs, I use a non-stick pan. You can use stainless steel. You can use...
Nah, don't want to use other pans. I only use non-stick due to the historic reasons in my channel.
I put my pan on medium-high heat. First thing I'm gonna do is add just a little bit of butter to kind of grease my pan up. And before I put the eggs in, just wanna make sure that I coat the bottom of my pan with butter.
So we are going to use lots of oil today. Coating the pan with the oil.
We're gonna put more butter in later just to baste the egg. But for now, just gonna start it out in a little bit of butter.
Oil.
I'm gonna wait for the butter to sizzle a little. Listen, right? Most people don't understand that you're using all of your senses in the kitchen. Sometimes you need to listen.
I'm listening.
Crack on the side of the pan. Sometimes you get little fragments of shell. If you get shell in your eggs, you want to use the shell to get it out. So shell attracts shell. So we're gonna crack on the counter, and we're gonna crack our eggs into the pan.
We are going to crack this egg on the counter, not on the pan.
Shell. If you get shell in your eggs, you want to use the shell to get it out. So shell attracts shell.
I threw the eggshells into my neighbor's backyard, so I'm using spoon to get it out.
At this point, salt and pepper. Fried egg is not a fried egg unless there is little pepper on it. You don't have to agree with me, but I'm wrong.
I agree with you in every possible way. Adding salt and pepper with the pepper bay action.
But you can see I have nice snap, crackle, and pop, and my eggs are done.
Snapping and popping egg.
I'm gonna use a spatula, drain them a little, get them on the plate.
Get them into the plane without draining. It tastes good. Nice work of me.